All right, this is Mrs. Munoz with the Types of Reactions Lab, and I'm going to go over reaction number 1 and just show you how to do this slide so you'll know how to do the other ones. In reaction number 1, you're actually going to watch the video of what happens, and I'll just let you watch that on your own. But when you see it, you're going to see kind of an explosion, and you're going to see a release of light and a color change. So when you get to the slide for evidence, you would go to release of light and color change. And so you would drag an oval to that. You'll see that reaction type and clue are already done for you. And so in observation, you'll see like a purple gas and a bright light. So you'll type that there. You'll see up here in the description that it says nitrogen triiodide. So that is your reactant. And you can stretch that out if you need to. It says decomposes to produce. So we'll have nitrogen as one of our products and iodine as another product. And you can change the shape if you want, but you don't really have to. So that's going to help you decide on what formulas to use. So our reactant formula is nitrogen triiodide. You'll go back up to a previous slide, and you'll see the formula for nitrogen triiodide is Ni3. So you are actually going to type that right here in this turquoise box, Ni3. And your product box, you're going to type nitrogen and iodine. Now, you know those elements are N and I, but you're going to want to check their formula. And you see that N and I are diatomic. So that means they have a subscript of 2 with them. Some elements have those and some don't. So we'll put an N2 and an I2 here. And then you're also going to balance these formulas. So you're going to want to add these formulas as well in these boxes down here. And you can copy them, or you could paste them, or copy and paste, or retype them. So we've done slides like this before, where you have to duplicate the boxes in order to make them the same on each side. So I'll start with N. The reactant side has 1 N. The product side has 2 because of the subscript. So I'm going to make another box of Ni3. So now I have 2 N's. Now I can see I have 6 I's over here, and I only have 2 on this side. So I'm going to need to make 2 more of these so that I have a total of 6. And then I count the boxes for my coefficients, and that's what's going to go in these orangey colored boxes. So my coefficients will be 2, 1, 3. And then, yes, you just want to make sure you have your formulas in, your coefficients, and an observation, and your evidence circled. And that's what you're going to do for each one. Now, in class, we'll actually do the reactions. But for this first one, it was just a video that you watch. All right, so that's just an example for how to do each slide.